Is your Messenger chat history mysteriously disappearing or failing to update across your devices? Let's fix that missing sync issue right now. First, the simplest solution: ensure your phone has a stable internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings. And make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and has a strong signal. If you're using Wi-Fi, try toggling it off and on again. Next, we need to make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open your device's App Store, search for Facebook Messenger, and if an update is available, tap to install it. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so this is a crucial step. Sometimes, corrupted temporary data can cause syncing problems. Head into your phone's main settings, find apps or applications, locate Messenger, and then look for storage here. You'll find an option to clear cache. This won't delete your messages, just temporary files that might be causing the hiccup. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, try a full app refresh by logging out and logging back in. Go to Messenger settings, find your account or profile options, and select log out. Once logged out, simply open Messenger again and log back in with your Facebook credentials. Finally, check your Facebook account settings for anything unusual. While less common, sometimes account-specific issues can impact syncing. If none of these steps help, consider reporting the problem directly to Facebook Messenger through their help center within the app. With these steps, you should be back to a seamlessly synchronized Messenger experience in no time.